We already saw that the problem of interactive plays is that we are just simulating one player. What if we want to simulate at the same time many players or different scenarios? For that, we can use predictions. If you click on the button with the number 50, you're going to define the number of predictions that you're going to run at the same time. You can either select a predefined set like 20, 50, 100, or you can enter your own custom number of predictions. We're going to select 100. I'm going to close the chart for interactive plays because I don't want to visualize that. And now I'm going to click on the predict button. You can see that whenever you start running predictions, first, Machinations is already plotting all of the predictions, and on the left, the history of plays is already open, where you can see all of the predictions that you have just decided to run. So if we can look at the chart, and if we maximize it, you can see that these are all of the predictions that we have run right now. And these are the predictions for 100 players. So the x-axis is the number of steps. In this case, we can see that at the end we get 120 steps, which is 2 hours. And the y-axis is the number of houses that they produce. We can rename the predictions. In our case, let's call it houses, and maybe base scenario, because this is the base case from our design. For every tracked node, you can also look at advanced statistics like the mean, max, and the mean from all of the players. So in our case, you can click on one of these statistics, like for example mean, and you can see that it's plotted. You can hide all of the predictions by right-clicking on the node and selecting visible. And you can see that this line is a mean for all of the players that we just predicted. So overall, we can see that on average, after 2 hours, players will collect 117 houses.